Hello viewers, welcome back to Gowri's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Poha Vada. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. For making Poha Vada, take 1 cup of poha and you have to wash the poha. You have to wash the poha twice and add 1/4 cup of curd to it. Marinate this for 10 minutes. I have washed the poha well. To this I am going to add the curd now. For 1 cup of poha, you have to add 1/4 cup of curd. Now mix this well and marinate it for 10 minutes. Now I have marinated the poha for about 10 minutes. These are the ingredients I am going to add. 3 big onions finely chopped, 4 garlic, small piece of ginger, handful of curry leaves and coriander leaves, 3 green chilies. Now let's add all these ingredients to this poha. Before adding the ingredients, just smash the poha. Smash it little. The poha should be seen as well as it should be little soft. Mix all the ingredients together. Add required amount of salt. Next we are going to add 2 teaspoons rice flour. Mix it well. Knead the dough well and make vada like this. Keep a kadai and put oil to it. Put the vada to the oil. Add the vada to the hot oil and keep it in medium flame. Serve this vada along with ketchup. You can have this for evening snack. If you like this video, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.